Hi there. My name is Anna, and I am the host of the Allendale School Scavenger Hunt Challenge. I am so excited to welcome you to the Allendale School Scavenger Hunt Challenge that we have put together for you all. This scavenger hunt will take you all around the Allendale School campus, where you will be tasked with finding a variety of clues and completing fun challenges. At each location, you will also receive a part of the final puzzle. Make sure to collect all of the puzzle pieces as you go. Here are the game instructions. At the start of the game, each team will receive their first clue. Use the clue to figure out which location you need to go to next. Once you arrive at the location, search for the next clue and collect the puzzle piece. Repeat until you have visited all of the locations and solved all of the clues. Once you have all the puzzle pieces, enter them into the Google form found at your final location. If you solve the final puzzle correctly, you will be entered into a draw for the grand prize. Remember, teamwork is key. Work together with your teammates to solve the clues, find your way to each location, and put together the final puzzle. Good luck, and have fun! I hope you are ready because here is your first clue. I am the place where we learn to write. Where we pen and we pencil, and we type and we cite. Find me among the desks and the papers and the pens. In the room with the words and the ideas and the lens. I will see you all at the next location. Let the scavenger hunt begin.